Good morning. It's day 15 of our Lego City Advent Calendar.
12 o'clock.
It's my turn. It is not 12 o'clock. Look at your watch, son. See, that's the reason you don't know what time it is.
It's 12 o'clock.
He's not wearing a watch. He doesn't know what time it is.
It's 3:20.
It's 12 o'clock.
Okay. Let me explain this to you. These videos will be posted at 9 a.m.
Oh. I'm sorry. I thought I was funny. I thought I was.
I was going with it until they gave the correct time, and it was like, Anyway.
Thanks, David.
I can edit all that out that I don't want in there, so it's all good. Today. Today is day 15.
Today is day 15 of the Lego Advent Calendar.
He stole my line.
And it is my turn.
No, it's my turn.
I'm stealing his lines, and you can't stop me. It is my turn today, and I'm Johnson.
Crazy Dave.
This is Dave. This is Dave. This is Dave.
I think it'd be best if we just move on along. We'll be right back. All right, my turn. My turn, my turn, my turn.
My turn, my turn, my turn.
It's day 15 and I've already found it. In fact, I'm going to, Santa is there on the picture. I am splitting Santa's head.
Oh,
murder.
So, Christmas really is over. Ha 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 ha. What do I get to build?
I don't even know.
I don't know.
I really don't know.
It's a building of some sort. I don't know.
Is that from day 3? That's from day 3?
It probably fell through.
That's from day 3.
It was an extra piece. It's all good. Okay, well, I guess I'll build whatever it is and we'll decide what it is later. Maybe you guys will be able to tell us what it is. Okay, I'm starting with this piece and this piece and okay, so there's 2 of those, so that works, I think. And then there's supposed to be another little red square here. Okay. So is there a gap there? I think there's a gap in there.
There's a gap.
That is interesting. I'm really not sure what I'm building here.
And then you...
Maybe not. I guess neither does Lego.
Well, it'd be nice if they told us what we were building. That would be helpful.
Yep, I would. But they won't.
I guess they think that'll ruin the surprise. Okay, and then
A helicopter building.
it kind of looks that way, sort of. That thing it is supposed to rotate. And there's a clear piece on top of that, isn't there? Set at kind of an angle. And the white piece on top of that. This goes here. Got a lot of extra pieces. What are these round ones? Oh, they go on top of the... Okay, gotcha. That would have been easier to have done that before. And then this little thing, which hangs right here. Is it a fire station?
Could be.
Because that looks kind of like a fire extinguisher, maybe, sort of.
Yeah.
I don't know. What do y'all think? I have no idea what I just built. Tell us in the comments what you think it is. I'm clueless. It's cool looking. And why are there gaps in it? And I don't understand. But at least my building has a helicopter propeller here, and we can fly our building around.
Yeah, and crush people with it.
No need for a fire truck, because you can fly the building around and it'll...
Whatever it lands on goes out.
That's right. Let's see, does it show anything on the front that...
I see it
I mean, I see the building, but it still does not clear it up any.
Well,
I don't know. Does the helicopter land on it?
maybe. Now, David, get it off.
I destroyed the helicopter. Oopsie. Okay. Well, yeah, the helicopter's just not going to make it anymore. It's done. Oh, good grief. Tried to press in one place and pop something else off. Who built this thing? It was shoddy workmanship, I'll tell you.
Okay, we'll see you next time when we finally fix the helicopter.
Oh.
Bye.
I got it. Oh, bye.
Crashed.